In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Drive settings. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access the Settings menu. Start by navigating to your Google Drive homepage and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see a little gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. It will reveal a drop-down menu, and from that list, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings window, you'll see a variety of options, but let's focus on the Appearance first. Look for the section titled Appearance. This is where you'll be able to adjust how Google Drive looks to you. You'll notice an option to toggle between light mode and dark mode. Select the mode that you find more comfortable for your eyes. If you're someone who often works at night or in low light conditions, dark mode can really help reduce eye strain. All right, moving on to our next adjustment. Now let's enable automatic file conversion. While you're still in the Settings window, find the checkbox for Convert Uploads. This option allows you to automatically convert any files you upload, like Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, or PowerPoint presentations, into the Google Docs editor format. This is especially useful if you frequently edit these types of files in Drive. Checking this box means that from now on, when you upload these files, they will be converted right away, allowing you to start editing immediately without dealing with conversion delays. Now onto a feature that can make managing your files even easier. Look for the option labeled Show Details Card when hovering on a file or folder icon. What this does is provide you with a quick snapshot of a file's details whenever you hover your mouse over a document or folder icon. This is not only a time saver, but it also helps you quickly gauge whether a file has what you need without having to click into it. So enabling this feature can streamline your workflow significantly, making it easier to manage your documents. And there you have it. Those are the key adjustments you can make in your Google Drive settings to enhance your experience. Adjusting the appearance for comfort, enabling automatic conversions for efficiency, and utilizing the Details card for quick information are all smart ways to customize your Google Drive. Before we wrap up, remember to take a moment to explore other settings available in that menu. Google often updates its features, so it's good to stay informed about what tools you have at your disposal. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Google Drive.